morning everybody, happy Sunday. And we have a storm rolling in. This one's called Storm Ashley. So we're expecting 8-mile-an-hour winds, the weather's saying. Doesn't feel too cold actually, it's just quite blustery at the minute. All the leaves are falling off the trees. Beautiful autumn colours. So I'm just going to show you what I've been stitching on this week. It's been a tiring week. I think because we're getting the dark mornings and the dark early evenings now, and it puts me into hibernation mode, I think. So let's go and see what I've been doing. In no particular order, I pulled the Disney Castle one out and put a few more threads into it. So I've been working in this part here, and I added some more lime green and some more yellow into it. There's like a mustardy colour gone in there as well. So I started to build that area up. So it's coming along. It's a long slow slog on this one though. That's where we're at. We're not very far really. As I said before, the castle, it just seems really washed out to me. We're not getting much definition, but I'll keep persevering with it. We'll see how we do. I also pulled out my Independence Day firework one, and before I'd been working down here and trying to get the flag in, but I've been dying to start on the fireworks, and it's such busyness in colours, it's crazy. So I've been up here yesterday during the day, so I actually got that much done. Now you can't hardly tell from the front, but that's quite a lot of stitching, that. And that's where we are with that. Still a long way to go. And yes, last night I fancied just doing a bit of counter cross stitch, and I pulled this one out again, and I think I won this in a competition with Laura, Stitching with Laura. I definitely know Laura sent it to me, and you can get it in pre-stamped as well, but it's a lovely little Christmas kit. I don't know what it is with me and Christmas. I'm feeling very Christmassy. I've been stitching a lot of my Christmas kits. So I did all this before. Now it was meant to be in half stitch, and I didn't read the pattern, and I started doing a full stitch, but I actually like it. I'm not a fan of the half stitches, but it came out really well. I do like that. And then I started working on the truck yesterday, and that's that bit there. And there's about 3 shades of red gone into this bit for the what would you say, metal work on the van, just to give it a bit of 3D effect. I got the I finished. It was the top bauble I needed to finish, and then I just need to do a bit of I think there's some French knots that go in there, and then just a bit of back stitching, but I need to get that part in first before I can connect this to the van or the lorry. But yeah, I do love that one. It's really cute. And because of Storm Ashley, I don't want to venture out today. We're just gonna be cosy, stay in the house. I don't know whether to sort my Christmas diamond painting coasters out and get them into little tubs. But yeah, my ginormous one I've got coming has actually arrived in London, so next week I think I'll be getting that one to unveil to you. And like I say, it's going to take me at least 10 or 20 years to get that one done. So I won't spoil the surprise and tell you what it is just yet. They did split the delivery up into 2 lots, so it's the cross stitching will come first, and then a second parcel which has all the tools in that I think that I'm going to need to be able to stitch on it, but we'll see. So have a good Sunday, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye. you.